What's going on, everybody? This is Brock with Brock Go Fast. We are in our 2018 WRX STi Type RA, and our friends at Cobb have sent us the new AP for the RA. So we're going to flash stage one. I know everybody's seen how to flash stage one. Cobb makes it easy. They've got online tutorials. They've got pictures in their box. I mean, it's really a plug and play system that's easy, and it's just awesome. I can't say enough about it. So here it is. We've got the Cobb AP. As you see here, they have the instructions. Your access port's finally here. Let you register. Everything is packed up nice and neat in this box. This is what we're going after. This is where the Cobb AP is housed, and this is the access port to put that in here. That is the cord. So I am going to fast forward, and I'm going to plug in the AP. We're going to go to stage one tune, which is a stock tune. Adds a little bit more power, a little bit more torque, makes power delivery smoother. And one thing that I love that Cobb did is that with the STIs, there's intelligent mode, sharp, and sport. The sport and the sharp are very touchy. The throttle's real touchy. It can be jumpy, especially on track. You don't always want that. You want smooth power delivery. The intelligent mode, while it does hold the throttle back a little bit as far as sensitivity, it's kind of what you want to see. So Cobb noticed that and said, you know what? We're going to do boost by program. Each one of those is now going to be a different boost, but we're all going to put it under intelligent for throttle response. That way you get the most linear, nice throttle response, stuff that you're going to want. It's not going to be touchy, but it's going to give you the power that you want. So I'm going to install it right now, and we'll be back. As you can see, Cobb has made this very easy. This is the device. I've got it plugged in here. We are going to turn the car on. Sorry, I couldn't do that with all my hands. All right, we're going to hit continue. As you can see, install the access port to your vehicle. We're just going to hit enter. Boom, Type RA. There we go. This is what I absolutely love about Cobb. They make it easy. They've taken the dumminess out of it. Sorry, I had to pause there. As you can see, we have anti-theft mode, which is awesome. We have stage 0. We have stage 1. We have stage 1 boost select. We want stage 193 boost select. There we go. We're going to do the normal wastegate. We're just going to hit enter here. Bam. Sorry if a driver error. That would be this guy. So right now we are doing stage 1 as we speak. Cobb is communicating with the ECU, and the ECU is communicating back, and it's doing its thing. So what the computer was doing was actually taking a snapshot of the ECU data off of the car, and now it is flashing stage 1 onto the car now. As you can see, installation successful. We turned the ignition off. We got to wait 15 seconds before turning on the vehicle. Which we will do. And as you can see, it lets you pick all your gauges. You can read codes. It's absolutely brilliant. Once we get the car started, we're going to go back out on the road and see how stage 1 is. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Brock Go Fast. We just flashed stage 1 on the 2018 STi Type RA. We are going to go into high boost, and let's see how it goes. It actually takes a minute to learn the car. It'll let you, it learns the car the whole time, whether it's throttle response, you know, boost. And right now we went right into stage 1 high boost. So we're gonna drive the car, get to learn it again, and see how she does. And as off the bat, I can already tell the power delivery is smooth. It's exactly what I expected. So far, I'm digging it. So let's do a couple runs here. Let's see how she does, how it performs. I can already tell I like the throttle response. way better than before, where it was either on or off, right? So now we've got a nice linear throttle response. I've got it in Sport Sharp right now, so basically I've told the computer I want high boost, because with the Cobb it allows you to do boost per selection of sport and intelligent. So we're going to see how it is. I can already tell we've got a nice smooth delivery. It's hit and boost really well. Hopefully we'll get a second here. We can really kind of row through the gears, see how it performs. You know, with stage 1 it keeps the boost relatively stock at 18 pounds, but you're getting so much more in the mid-range, so much more smooth power delivery. It just seems a lot more usable. I've got the Cobb over here. I'm taking a look at it. It allows me to monitor 6 different things. So right now I did knock, I did MAF, intake air temperature, boost, air fuel. I just wanted to see what it's doing. Allows you to data log it, send to your tuner, take a look at things. It's really, really awesome. As you can see, I just love driving this car, dang it. Hit the corner here, apex. Oh my gosh, yes, you can already feel the power delivery. Oh, it's totally different. Man, that was awesome. I am digging this. This is great. I cannot wait to see how she does more and more. You know, you get familiar with these cars, you start to learn them, you start to learn the characteristics, and it's always great to go to that next level. I know the exhaust from our friends over at Vidya, and the downpipe comes on Wednesday. Today is Monday, so I know we'll probably go over to Miko Motorsports, get that thrown on there, and just go right to stage 2. And I know I talked to Mike over our friends at M-Tune. He's got a special stage 2 map that he loves. He's tuned my car before, so we'll probably give it to him, see what he can do, and see what he can get out of it. But I can tell you right now, this car is already feeling way more alive than it did. There we go. Oh man, this is gonna be so much fun. Again, I cannot wait to get this car on track. It's just going to be such a good time. But I can tell you, just from this little drive, I mean, we've literally been driving it as long as we've been talking to you with the stage 1 tune, and I can already tell a huge difference, and hopefully you can as well, maybe by the smile on my face. But we'll keep at it. Next time we get on here, we'll be going stage 2. I'll be over at Miko Motorsports putting on our NVIDIA exhaust and our NVIDIA downpipe, as well as our Cobb stage 2 map. I'm excited for it. I can't wait. And subscribe wherever the button is, and we'll make more videos. I appreciate it. Thank you. Brock, go fast. GoPro.